So this is just a quick tutorial on how to download Adobe Creative Cloud to your device for free. First thing you're going to want to do is open up Google or Safari and just type in Fresno State Adobe Creative Cloud. And you're going to want to tap on that second link right there. And it's going to say to download and install a license, please visit the following site. Go ahead and click on that link. And it's going to take you through campus login services. Go ahead and use your Fresno State username and password to log in, and it's going to take you to this page right here, and you're going to switch over to the Adobe tab. Make sure you're on the student tab as well, and it's going to say Adobe Creative Cloud subscription right there. You're going to click on that, and it's going to say 12-month subscription free, and you're going to go ahead and add to your cart. And now once you add it to your cart, it's going to show up under orders and downloads. You'll go ahead and click view details, and then you'll go ahead and click install. It says your subscription is now active, and this is going to just install it to your device here. So you're going to go ahead and click download Creative Cloud, and it's just going to go ahead and download it to your device here. Just going to save it to my desktop, and then I'll go ahead and open it up, double click that download, and double click that folder right there. It's the Creative Cloud installer, and we're going to go ahead and click open, and it's going to open up right here. You're going to click continue, and you're just going to go ahead and type in your device password. And it should start installing here in a second. It may have you sign in again, so go ahead and use your Fresno State email to sign in. And it'll take you to campus login one more time. So you're going to go ahead and use your username and password. And from here, it should sign you in and start the download. So you can see here, it's installing. You can see on the left, it's going to tell you. And you can also skip these questions as well. Just wait for it to install. And once it's done installing, it will open this up right here, and it's going to show you all of the apps that are available to you for free. It includes apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Acrobat, which is probably the most popular for students, Lightroom, and all these kind of different apps you can play around with and use for free for Fresno State students. So that was just a quick tutorial on how to download Adobe Creative Cloud for free.